Getting to my wealth was getting to my health. I couldn't be myself alone. Getting to my wealth, everything that's right is wrong. As an animal, programmed or it's not programmed. There's a gun in the small of my back, an itch that you can't scratch that takes me all over the world. Gets me thrown around, gets me thrown around.
Buon appetito.